Hi, I'm Mark Christopher, and welcome to DN Tips, where we break down CNC technology to help manufacturers make smarter equipment decisions. Today, we're going to take a closer look at two popular vertical machining platforms from DN Solutions, the BVM series and the SVM series. While both machines deliver outstanding performance, they're designed for very different manufacturing needs. So let's break down what separates them and how to choose the right one for your shop. The BVM series is designed as a high-precision, high-rigidity machining platform. It's built for applications where accuracy, surface finish, and stability matter the most, especially when you're machining tougher materials. The SVM series, on the other hand, is engineered for high productivity and efficiency. It's a versatile solution for general machining and high-volume production where speed and throughput drive profitability. Both platforms reflect DN Solutions' commitment to performance, but with different goals in mind. One of the biggest differences between these two machines is their structural design. The BVM series features a rigid bridge-type construction, which significantly improves stiffness and vibration control. This allows the machine to maintain accuracy during heavier cuts and deliver consistent surface finishes over long production runs. The SVM series uses a C-frame design optimized for quick motion and efficient operation. While it doesn't offer the same level of rigidity as the BVM, it excels in fast positioning and repeatability for high output environments. Spindle capability is another key differentiator. The BVM series typically offers high-speed spindle options, often up to 15,000 RPMs, along with advanced cooling and thermal management. This ensures stable performance and tight tolerances, even during extended machining cycles. The SVM series commonly features a 12,000 RPM spindle, which is ideal for aluminum, castings, and general-purpose machining, while keeping operating costs efficient. Both machines are fast, but they're fast in different ways. The BVM series balances rapid axis motion with precision, making it well-suited for complex toolpaths and high-accuracy work. Now, the SVM series is optimized for short cycle times and high throughput. This is helping manufacturers like yourself maximize output and reduce cost per part. So which one is the right one for your operation? The BVM series is an excellent choice for mold and die applications, machining steel and harder materials, tight tolerances and exceptional surface finishes, and shops focused on long-term precision and rigidity. The SVM series is ideal for high-volume production, aluminum and light to medium materials, short cycle times and fast changeovers, and cost-effective general machining. At the end of the day, choosing the right CNC machine isn't just about speed and specs. It's about aligning the machine with your production goals in mind. The BVM series delivers rigidity, precision, and premium performance. The SVM series delivers speed, efficiency, and productivity. I want to thank you for watching DN Tips. If you have any questions about which platform fits your shop the best, reach out through the Contact Us form on our website.